Soup's on. Warm up the chilly fall nights with a comforting one-pot meal that will have the family coming back for seconds. Chefs and students from the student chefs from Colorado Chefs Association are here in the Coco Kitchen, and I'd like to welcome Chef Michael. It's Poompan. He's from the Ritz-Carlton. Kelly Seawald, a Colorado Chef student apprentice, and Chef Victoria Sonora with the St. Julian Hotel and Spa are here. Welcome to all of you.
Thank you for having us, Jackie.
The aroma in our kitchen today has been amazing. You're cooking up some lamb shepherd's pie for us, right?
Yeah, perfect for the season.
I
It's starting
think so.
to cool down outside,
Yeah.
snow in a couple days.
Yeah, why not? And the lamb is from Colorado, is that right?
Of course.
Okay.
So as part of our program, we work with several local producers. Colorado Lamb is one of our biggest partners.
Okay, can you tell us how you made it?
Of course.
All
If
right.
you want to open up the pot here,
I do.
Do
I
the
can-
big do the show.
Big reveal.
The big reveal.
Oh, look at this.
So we've been working on this Colorado lamb stew. The students broke down a leg of lamb as part of their program. We put some potatoes, peas, different carrots. And the best way for me to have a stew is shepherd's pie, classic
I
dish.
love that way.
Kelly here is going to put it all together.
Okay, Kelly, what do you have there? Some mashed
And
potatoes?
so with that, we have the simple mashed potatoes that you can just simply just put over here. We're just gonna spread it all out.
If you've never made a shepherd's pie before, it is so good for the kids, and it's healthy and hearty and really good on these fall nights. All right, Kelly, now you're a current student at the Colorado Chef's Apprentice program, right? And so why did you choose the culinary program for yourself?
First and foremost was the affordability and access. So with the affordability, we have our program is actually only $7,000 for the 2-year apprenticeship, which is like $3,500 for each year. And this includes our uniforms. We get a knife kit. We have our books and supplies included.
That's great.
Yeah, and then of course with the access, so we actually go to school like 1 day a week, and we actually have a sponsor house that we go to work during and get our hands-on training.
Yeah, which is so important.
Right, of
Outstanding. Now, Chef Victoria, you graduated from the program a few years ago. I want to know how it's helped you really in pursuing your dreams in culinary.
Well, like Kelly said, this program is really about gaining experience. So being able to leave the program and having worked for 2 years at the same time makes a huge difference. You know, employers don't really care to see your degree because you've been sitting in a classroom for 4 years, and in the restaurant industry, experience is what really matters.
Absolutely.
So when I graduated and I had, this experience under my belt, it's really helped me propel my career forward, possibly in a shorter time than maybe a different school that is more lecture-based
Sure.
would have. So now I graduated school, and I've been able to step into the sous chef position, which is kind of the goal for the program.
Congratulations.
That students will be able to step into that position because that's what we've trained for. That's the test that we took.
Yeah.
And so now I'm certified sous chef, recognized at a national level.
Wonderful.
That's a pretty awesome.
I
that's a
would
big
say it
deal.
is pretty awesome, and it's so awesome that you're here. It's cooking up. The shepherd's pie looks great. Thank you all so much for being here and whetting our taste buds. We appreciate it. All right, we've got a lot more to come. Your culinary career is just one click away, and you can get recipes from today and information on the nonprofit culinary education program at acfcoloradochefs.org. We'll be back with more.